Würde dir einen Zebra holen?
Ja.
Huh?
Beloved, I'm about to do what I know how to do best, that has been working for me for the past 2 years. When I noticed aging and hormonal imbalance has begun to death with my hair. So what I'm about to do is what has been working for me, that I will continue doing. It's just criteria and it's coming, and this time I will be taking a step further, because I intend to also use this DIY remedy for my husband as scalp and scrub. Okay, so this is what you need to see. Continue watching. So notice what I said, that this has been working for me for the past 2 years. When I notice aging and hormonal imbalance has begun to depth with my hair. So if you know this will also work for you to get the same amazing result and be a testifier, or figure out what is the source of your problem. If styles, the type of style you do, pulling, winging, over manipulating, or not care enough for your hair is the problem, you have to take a step back, restrict your step, just do something about that before you begin to restore your hair, to revive your hair. For the fact that your hair still has follicle, the follicles of your hair has not dead 100%. This whole remedy is sure, very cheap, anybody can afford it. Everything we are using here is around this place, like your kitchen. So let's get into today's video, and while you do your subscription. So by special grace of God, our juicer is ready, and this is what I prepared yesterday. I want to use it for hair growth. This is ginger, so I need to dehydrate it. Yesterday I was so tired to finish the action or the work. So you can see that this channel is the right place for you if you want to grow your hair. So for today, this is what we are going into. This is bio in Italian language, popularly known as organic red or purple onions. So if you must use onions for your hair, please let it be the red one, else you will not achieve much satisfying result. Okay, so by special grace of God, I just add this, and that is 3 garlic. Okay, and this is the step I will be taking further, because I will be using this whole remedy with another thing for my husband scalp and scrub. So I will be empowering this our amazing hair products with a pieces of ginger. Okay, that is just it. So all this has been maintained to dehydrate. All you have to do is just pop everything in there, water. So that is just it. So we don't need water. Another alternative or another way to juice this is to blend it and juice it manually. So I don't have strength for that. I just want to do it and just get it stuff. My eye is having problem because of the onions already. So that being the
How do you crash on that? 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 Let's go. Somebody's
Wollt ihr einen Zebra holen?
Ja.
Hm? Oh, mein Schatz.
My daughter is in bed. Did you get up?
Du kannst richtig gut Beine.
Danke.
My are red. This is for real. I'll be coming for my rescue. My second daughter is on his bed. She's not sleeping. She's having babele for me because I exercise her this early morning. Probably. So this is so useful. Frying of egg, making soup. Busy? 9. Hoppy came asking me why my daughter did try to find out the reason I'm crying. And he checked. He found out that she's sleeping, siesta. I thought she was awake. That maybe she's still having babele for me. Do you know what is babele? Because I exercise at this early morning. So I thought that, okay, because of that, you might just feel like, mommy exercised me this morning, please. I don't want to go close to her. So I was wrong. She came back from school and then she's having siesta. I enjoy it. Although, as a child, they don't usually carry grudges for long. Came back from school, they easily forget stuff. But I was just thinking that, why did she come out to see what was wrong with me when I was crying? So she's sleeping. Yeah. So let's see how transparent this stuff is. I think it's thick. I think I still need to stream it, because if it happens there is anything particles on it, particles or residue on my hair later, it will be difficult to remove. So to be on the safe side, so at least this one will not be that stressful if I was to blend it. This is what we're going through it again for the last time. See? Beautiful. By special grace of God, my people, we are done. And the best way I use this is I give my hair minimum of 3 minutes massage. And if you want to know how I do that, watch the video that we upload after this. After massaging for 3 minutes, I will apply it on my scalp, and as I'm applying it, I'm still massaging, and at the end of the day, I cover my hair for another 30 minutes or 1 hour. Then I will go wash my hair and proceed with other things that I use to wash my hair. The first step after this is I prepare with flaccid gel. If you want to know all of this, follow up, subscribe, and I will be using this liquid with something else for my husband's car scrub. He just cut his hair yesterday. My daughter cut his head, and I noticed that there are a lot of dead skin on his hair. So I will use it on him to help clean the hair environment. Okay, that is just it. Please subscribe to my video and for further beautiful content. God bless you. See you in my next one.